So in this video, I'd like to show you how to run the Excel solver to maximize the resource allocation problem. Okay, so let's click on the Data tab and then click on Solver. Say OK. So here we need to specify which number we're trying to maximize. We're trying to maximize this number, which is the total revenue. So here it says min. Let's click on max. And what are our decision variables? Our decision variables are these two cells, how many chairs to make and how many tables to make. And then I'm going to delete this. Okay. And then we need to add a constraint. Okay. So I'm going to click add here. Okay. Now the actual usage of these machines, okay, should be less than or equal to the capacities. Okay. Okay. And I want to make sure that the number of chairs and tables we make are non-negative. So I'm going to add a constraint. So I select these two cells. Those two cells should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So I have these two constraints. I'm going to try simplex first. I'm going to say click on solve. Okay. Solver found a solution. All constraints and optimality constraints are satisfied. Okay. And as you can see, we have 0 chairs and 13.333. You know, there's something wrong. So what we need to do is we have to tell the solver to make these two numbers integers. Okay. Let's click on solver again. We're going to add another constraint. We're going to say these two numbers should be integer. Okay. Okay. So then I click solve again. Okay. So here, excuse me, we find that we make 0 chairs and 13 tables. Okay. And this is our optimal value, the maximum amount of revenue that we can get. As you can see, the optimal number of chairs turns out to be 0. This is possible. This is possible because it depends on these numbers and the values of the unit prices of chairs and tables. Okay, so depending on your numbers, you can get non-zero or 0 values here.